Hi, my Jenn-Air range hood only works on high speed. Is it the circuit board or control board that needs replacing?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So you could actually have a bad hood fan motor, or a bad control board, although the control board is much more likely. To know for sure, you'd need to test power between the blue and white wire on the blower motor when you have it set to low speed. You should have less than 120 volts, something around 60 volts. If not, then you need to replace the control board. If you do have less than 120 volts, then your motor is grounding out and the motor will need to be ordered and replaced. If you have any other questions, please ask me. I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
Hi Tyler, thanks. Actually, there are 6 fan settings, low to high. The first 5 will simply shut off the fan as soon as you press the setting. Without taking the unit apart, I wanted to inquire first what it might be. My guess is the control board, most likely as well. If the motor is failing, shouldn't the entire unit not work? Bjorn.
That's not quite the way it works, unfortunately. The only difference between the low settings to the high setting is that different amounts of voltage are sent to the motor. That's why I said to set it to low, so that you know it shouldn't be getting 120 volts. Also, the motor does not always fail in a way where the fan won't run at all. Sometimes motors ground out and draw too much power or only go through half of the motor winding, causing them to run excessively fast and such. If you have any other questions, please ask me. I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need, even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.